when amount is withdrawn on the first of all the months, so highest period ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇವಾಗ ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ 1ನೇ ತಾರೀಕಿಗೆ ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ. ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ 1ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾರ್ಚ್ 31ರವರೆಗೆ 12 ತಿಂಗಳಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಗ್ದಿ ಶಾರ್ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಮಾರ್ಚ್ 1ನೇ ತಾರೀಕಿಗೆ ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ. ಸೊ ಮಾರ್ಚ್ 1ನೇ ತಾರೀಕಿಗೆ ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 ತಿಂಗಳಿಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 12 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 divided by 2 ತಿಂಗಳಿಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿವಿ divided by 2 is equal to 13 divided by 2. ಅದೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ 6.5 months. Okay. Second, 15th of every month. 15th of every month ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 1ನೇ ವಿಡ್ರಾವಲ್ ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ 15ನೇ ತಾರೀಕಿಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ 15th means 11.5 months is the highest period. Highest outstanding month 11.5 months. So 11.5 plus last withdrawal ಯಾವಾಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ? ಮಾರ್ಚ್ 15th. ಸೊ ಮಾರ್ಚ್ 15 ಇಂದ ಮಾರ್ಚ್ 31ರವರೆಗೂ only 15 days are left. That means in other words half month. So shortest period is half month. 2 periods are taken, so divided by 2. So 11.5 plus 0.5 is 12. So 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6 months. So second one is for 6 months. Third one, end of the month. So April 30, May 30, June 30, like that till March 31st. So here highest outstanding period is when we withdraw first amount on April 30th. So April month has gone. No interest for that month. So we calculate interest from May onwards. So May to April, March 31st, 11 months are outstanding. So highest period is 11 months. And the shortest period, last withdrawal will be on March 31st itself. So when we draw for March 31st, no interest is calculated. So for 0 period we can say. So 11 plus 0 divided by 2 is equal to 5.5. 5.5 months. So in other words we can write it as 11 divided by 2. 5.5 months, 11 divided by 2. So by using this shortcut we can calculate interest on drawings. Now let us take a problem. A, B and C are partners. A withdrawing 1,500 on 1st of every month. B withdrawing 2,000 on 15th of every month, and C is withdrawing 2,500 on last date of every month. So 3 persons, 3 different amounts on 3 different dates. So rate of interest charge is 12%. Rate of interest is 12%. Now first person A, calculation of interest on drawings. So here first A withdrawn 1,500 rupees. So rough calculation I will do here. 1,500 rupees for 12 months. So total 60,000. Sorry, 6,000 he has withdrawn. Sorry, 18,000. 18,000 he has withdrawn. So 18,000 into rate of interest is 12%. 12 divided by 100 into average of outstanding months is 13 divided by 2 into 1 month. So instead of product, what we did? Total amount withdrawn, average month. Okay, now okay, so 18,000. Now 12 cancelled, zeros cancelled. 180 into 13 divided by 2, that is 1170. 2 ones are 290s also we can do. So 90 into 13 is equal to 1170. Second, B withdrawn 2000 on 15th of every month for 12 months. So 2000 into 12 is equal to 24,000. B withdrawn 24,000. So 24,000 into rate of interest 12 divided by 100 into. So he has withdrawn 15th of every month. So average period comes to 6 months. So into 6 into 1 divided by 12. So 6 divided by 1, nothing is there. So just I will take 6 divided by 1 here. Okay. So now 12 get cancelled. 0 is gone. So 240 into 6. 1440. And next C withdrawn 2500 on last date of every month for 12 months. So 2500 into 12 months is 30,000 is withdrawn by the C. So 30,000 into rate of interest 12% into, so as he has withdrawn on the last date of every month, the average period comes to 5.5 months. So 5.5 months we can write as 11 divided by 2 into 1 month, 1 divided by 12. So 12 get cancelled. 0 2 ones are 2 150s are. Okay. So 30,000 into 12 divided by 100 rate of interest into 5.5 months, 11 by 2 into 1 divided by 12, 1 month. So 12 get cancelled. 0 gone. 2 ones are 2 150s are. So 150 into 11. 150 into 11 is equal to 1650. So interest on all three partners. So first partner withdrawn on 1st of every month. So his interest is calculated for average 6.5 months, that is 13 divided by 2 into 1 divided by 12. So 18,000 into 12 by 100 into 13 by 2 into 1 divided by 12, we get 1170, that is 1170. B has withdrawn on 15th of every month for all 12 months. So amount 2000 he has withdrawn. Total amount withdrawn by B is 24,000. So as he has withdrawn for 15th of every month, so average period is 6 months. So 24,000 into 12 divided by 100 into 6 divided by 1 into 1 divided by 12. So 1440 rupees. And last, C has withdrawn amount on last date of every month. So average period comes to 5.5 months. So 30,000 into 12 divided by 100 into 5.5 months, that is 11 by 2 into 1 month, 1 divided by 12. So that comes to 1650. So this is shortcut method or average period method. Total amount withdrawn is given during the year and no specific periods are given in the problem. ಇಷ್ಟನೇ ತಾರೀಕಿಗೆ ತಕೊಂಡ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ತಕೊಂಡ ಈ ಡೇಟಿಗೆ ತಕೊಂಡ. So such informations when not given in the problem. Suppose 20,000 withdrawn by A during the year. Rate of interest is 10%, 12% or whatever may be. Only these two information we have: total amount withdrawn and rate of interest. Then we calculate interest on drawings for just 6 months. Okay, for how many months? 6 months. Suppose A partner withdrawn total 20,000 during the year. We don't know on which all date how much amount he has withdrawn. His total withdrawals are 20,000 rupees and the rate of interest is 15%. B has withdrawn 15,000 during the year and C has withdrawn 28,000 during the year. So all three persons have withdrawn the different amounts during the year, but we don't know on which date they have withdrawn. Whether they have withdrawn all amount on one date itself or different amount on different dates. So that information when not available, then we calculate interest for 6 months. So rate of interest is 15%. So interest on drawings. So interest on drawings, A is the interest on drawings. So 20,000 he has withdrawn. So rate of interest is 15% into, so we assume that he has withdrawn a similar amount on the 15th of every month. So we take 6 months, that is 6 divided by 12. So 20,000 amount he has withdrawn into 15% into 6 divided by 12. So 1,500 is the rate of interest on drawings of partner A. Then B has withdrawn 15,000 in total into 15% for 6 months. So his interest on drawings 15,000 into 15% into 6 divided by 12. So we get 1,125. And last C has withdrawn total 28,000 into 15% into 6 months. So his interest on drawings 28,000 into 15% into 6 divided by 12. So 2,100. So when total amount is given, no period is mentioned, just we know the rate of interest, we calculate interest for 6 months. Okay.